Do you struggle to eat enough vegetables every day? What if I told you there was a more effective way to get those nutrients that your body needs? And the solution is these tiny plants. These are microgreens. They come from the same seed as full-grown vegetables, but they are harvested in their early stages of life. Although they are tiny, or micro, they are actually packed with more nutrients than the adult plant. And because they are harvested so early on in their lives, they are full of flavor, which makes them a great addition to your meal. You could add them to soups, salads, or sandwiches, and much more. The amazing part about microgreens is that anyone can grow them in their home in just 5 to 10 days. All you need is a little sunlight and some water. When they're fully grown, all you have to do is cut them and add them to your meal. You can even eat them by themselves. If you want to start getting the nutrients that you were missing before, and also know exactly where they're coming from, get started growing your own microgreens today at trueleafmarket.com.